Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Satitra. I am the owner of K's Natural Cleaning, and I provide cleaning services in Ann Arbor, Michigan. I provide green cleaning. I also make my own green cleaning products, and I also create cleaning motivational videos and some BTS moments. And if those are things that interest you, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up and stick around for more. I also have a rewards program. So a lot of times, like when I go to my customers' homes, I have my clipboard with me, I have my rewards card with me, I have my business card with me, and I'll bring like 2 business cards so they can pass to their friends, and then I have a magnet business card just for them to leave on their refrigerator. And then like when I do my move in and move out cleanings, I leave the magnet on there too, because the new owners, when they come in, they might want to hire a cleaner. But I also like to mention my referral program. So like, add this to your site, mention this at your consultation. Mine is like after 15 cleanings they get a discount, and I'll let my customers know like, hey, I also have a rewards program, so if you, after 15 cleanings, you get such and such. So right away at that consultation, like, they're like, oh, you know, want to build that loyalty. What was it? Oh, I also have a referral program, so I'll let them know also when I'm there, hey, I have a referral program. Sometimes what I do when I bring the business cards, I write on the back of them, or you can have it digitally made on the back of them, but I just write on the back of refers to a friend, receive such and such off when you refer us, or they can look on your website for more too. But those are things you want to bring up: referral program, rewards. I think those are also, yeah, because referrals are your best friend. I actually get a lot of my cleanings and calls from one, like I said, Instagram, and then my referrals. So those are my main things, and then like Google and care.com. Care.com is actually really great. Let's see. Oh yeah, also join some local groups on Facebook or networking groups, and don't just go in there and spam. Actually go in and build relationships with these people that you're trying to network with. So that's kind of what I've done, is I've gone into some like other cleaning support groups, and got to know other people and stuff, and like if I ever need help or questions within the business. So there's that, or to kind of help build my customer base. Also go to network events. I've done that. There's a couple like network groups here that I'm really good with, that I love. There's one called Detroit Girl Squad. I love them. It's not so much based on like business, but it's just a group of girls getting together. And there's another one called Boss Ladies Referral Program. So that's more like businessy, which is really great, because I forgot to mention when searching for a team, is you also want an accounting or a CPA person. But when I went to like one of the networking events, I was able to meet some accountants who do account work for like small business owners or small women business owners. So you want to get your name out there, and you want to get those business cards, because trust me, you are going to need some help with your bookkeeping. And again, that's one of the first things you kind of want when you are looking to build your team. So like I said before, your staff, your admin, social media marketing, and accounting. I think those are the 4 things that kind of get you on the road to a successful business. Let's see. Yes, and making sure you have your website up. I use Wix. It's really great. It's affordable. I use Wix for my invoices, for my price quotes. Let's see. Yeah, also in there you can sell your products. You don't just have to just like I said, like anything relatable to cleaning. And I don't even know why I haven't done this yet. Like, I do make my own natural cleaning products, as you can see here. I do sell these, and sometimes like during the holidays, what I did last year on Christmas, I gave a couple of these out to my clients who I've had for a while as a gift. and also so that they can let their friends know, like, oh yeah. And I thought maybe it might be a good idea, like for the small ones here, the refill bottles. I thought it'd be great for my new customers, like maybe I should give this to them and leave when you leave your card or something, like, oh, here's a cleaning product of mine and here's my business card. But I haven't done that quite yet, but I thought it would be a great idea. But you could also do things like that on your website. You could sell microfiber cloths, you could sell spray bottles, you could sell scrubbers, brooms, mops, etc. Like, you don't just have to sell services, you could also sell cleaning products. You're a cleaning company, why not? So do more of the bare minimum. Be creative. Think about all the creative things you can do within your business. And also I do blogging, so I have a Pinterest page also. So not only do I have like Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, Twitter is okay, that doesn't do me real good, but I have Pinterest, and my Pinterest is doing really well, but it drives traffic to my website. So say if I am selling more products other than just what I have here, these people will come and they'll find me. So I also set up an Etsy page. I don't have anything on there right now. I really do need to get back on it, but I kind of needed to take things. I'm just reorganizing right now. So the advice I'm giving you is great advice, but right now I don't have anything up just yet because I took everything down so that I could reorganize since COVID. But these are things that I think would be a great idea to help you stand out from your neighbors or your competitors as far as the cleaning company go, because I really don't see a lot of cleaning companies selling cleaning products. Like, you know, if you are selling cleaning products, you can get your own broom and mop and everything for the low if you have vendors and wholesalers. So that way cut down on cost and inventory, or you know what I mean, and stock up. One of the things I did say that I wish that I kind of had when I started was like a storage, you know, extra. I don't have an office, but like I was looking into getting a storage unit. So I think that's a great idea, because then you could stock up your supplies there. But then it's all about like who's gonna have access and how they're gonna have access. But anyways, we can get more into that later. But as far as blogging goes, create blogs that are in relations to homes or commercial or cleaning. Again, like I said, it doesn't have to be just about cleaning. You can share your favorite home decor, stuff that relates to busy parents, because a lot of times your customers are just busy moms and dads. So you can share tips on how to minimize that. Like when quarantine happened, I was like, I did a blog on quarantine spas at home, and it actually had really good traffic. And then I posted the post on Pinterest for them to follow, and I got a lot of traffic from that. And also organizing ideas, collab with somebody. Please find somebody to collab with. Even when it comes to blogging, you know, other people, you can find someone that's into like minimalist, like what I did. I collab with somebody who was a minimalist coach. I added in some of her tips. I shared her page, and you know, you can see more of that on my website. I will share the link there for my blog on my description box below. But you will see like I added her in my blog, I shared some of her tips, and then I also shared some of my tips too, because I mean, we're kind of in the same field. Although she's a minimalist coach and I'm just cleaning, you know, we go hand in hand. So, and it's funny because she actually found me from Instagram and reached out, and we've been like business besties ever since. Again, like I'm doing now, you could create YouTube or IGTV videos introducing who you are, your team, show them what products you use, and add those to your site as well. You know, like with YouTube, you can embed it into your website. You know, you can have like one page on your website that shows your videos, so people can kind of see how you're cleaning. Again, it could be your room, it could be your bathroom, it could be, you know, whatever. Just show them what you do, show them what products you use to clean mirrors or windows or whatever. Show that you are a professional, you know what I'm saying? Let me see. Oh yeah, and then of course, like once you have, if you have like one video up, just show them like where they can find more. Like, here, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to see more cleaning motivational videos, or if you want to see, you know, how we work or get to know our team. You know, you can make a short little commercial or whatever with your team, like doing some cleaning or something. Like, you can get so creative with this. Yeah, and I have another one, like collab with a photographer. You could offer a photographer a deal on cleaning, or maybe you guys could trade services. So for example, I did a free cleaning. I wouldn't necessarily say it was free, but like we just traded services. So actually she reached out to me because she needed a cleaning. She had a baby on the way, or she had an event coming, I think, at the time, but she was pregnant. So she wanted her home clean, she needed hope, but she also a photographer, so she offered to get me some pictures. So we just kind of price matched our like my cleaning versus like how much it would be if I needed a couple photos. And so I cleaned for her, and she got so it was a win-win. You know, she got some cleaning done, and I got some stock photos. I got some pictures to use for advertisement and promotion. So she took some pictures of me using the vacuum cleaner, and it looked so good. She also got some pictures of my products for me, and it was just great. So, you know, maybe there's somebody, a local photographer, you know, who may need some cleaning. Maybe you might know somebody close to you who does photography. But again, this could help. And you can see this again on my website. You can see it made my page look so professional, and I just loved it. And again, actually, I'm going to be cleaning her house again, so pretty excited about this. Yeah, so our next one is like bonding insurance. I'm gonna just share a link to what I use for that. It's not too pricey, actually. I'm gonna just be honest, I paid $100 for a whole year for a certain amount of employees, stuff like that, but I'll share the link below. I don't know if their prices have changed, but yeah, you definitely want to do that. Also, before you start doing any cleanings, you want to make sure that you're bonded and insured. See here, and of course, you know, get your LLC, whatever you decide, or register with the state. Let me see, I put here, I was like, I just googled what I need for the state of Michigan to start a cleaning company. Yeah, there's that. And also, like, let me see, you also gonna want a business banking account also before you start paying people or start spending a lot of money on inventory stuff, because it just makes taxes easy, and it just keeps things separate, because it just makes things a lot easier having personal and business separate. So I have a business account, which I got that set up probably a couple months after starting. I wish I did it sooner, but it worked out. So not something you need to do like right away, but you definitely want to do it. Definitely want to do it within the first 6 months of your cleaning company, or before you start, like if you end up getting big. And of course, it just makes taxes easier as well. You're going to want to create an inventory supplies list. Let's see. I guess I put if you have an extra home or office, that would do, because I talked about like the storage unit and thinking it would be great to get a storage. Decide if you want your employees to buy their own supplies, or if you're going to be getting that for them. You know, how are they going to have access when they need more, or, you know, contacting your admin or the team, or a team lead, you know, like who, if you were to have a storage unit, like who's going to be the person in charge of that? Is it going to be you? Are you going to be the main person that has to go meet them every time, or, you know, your supervisor, since they're the main person that you're going to trust anyways? Let's see. Oh yeah, make sure that anyone you hire has their driver's license, in a vehicle to get to it from work, or maybe everyone can meet at one place and you guys all can ride together. However you want to do that. What I do is that I just make sure everyone has their own vehicle, and I do purchase all their supplies. So it just depends on what you want. If you want them to purchase their own supplies, I think that would just make it harder finding teams versus like when you purchase them. But just make sure that you do have something in your contract that things will be returned back to you. So that's all I have. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope that this video was very informative and helpful. Yeah, if you want, just ask and I will respond. And don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.